So let's graph the following functions. I have f of x is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 3 and f of x is equal to negative 2. Now if we start with part A, you notice that you have a linear function in slope-intercept form. So that means the slope is negative 2/3. I wrote it down here. M is negative 2/3 and the y-intercept is 3. Right? So how do I graph this? I can start with the y-intercept. Y-intercept here is 3. And I can go to the next point using the slope. Now the rise is negative 2 and the run is 3. So I go down 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is my second point on the line. I can pick a third point by also using the slope. I go down 2 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have now 3 points on the line. I can graph this. And here is the graph of my function. F of x is equal negative 2/3 x plus 3. Now part B, you have f of x is equal to negative 2. We call this a constant function. Why? Because the function is equal to just a number, a constant. The function value is the same for every input value. So no matter what value you select for x, the function will always have a value of negative 2. So if you like, you can choose, if you want to choose, like for instance, when x is 0, what are you going to have? F of x will be negative 2. When x is 1, f of x would be negative 2. When x is 2, f of x will be negative 2. No matter what value you choose for x, f of x will always be negative 2. The function value is the same for every input value, for every value of x. So if you want to graph this, what are you going to have? When x is 0, f of x negative 2. So 0, f of x is negative 2. That's a point on the line. And when x is 1, f of x is negative 2. So 1 is negative 2. And when x is 2, f of x is negative 2. So if you notice here, what do you have? You have a horizontal line. Constant function give you a horizontal line. And here's the graph for f of x equal to negative 2. And this one, I didn't write it down. F of x is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 3.